Hello everyone, welcome to RBI Interview and Fact series. As a part of today's video, we are going to see what is the 50-50 rule for NBFCs. In order to understand this rule, first of all, we need to know that how does RBI Act 1934 defines NBFCs. So as per RBI Act 1934, a NBFC can be broadly defined as a non-banking institution which is a company and which has as its principal business, I'm repeating, which has as its principal business the receiving of deposits or lending in any manner. Now, as a part of this definition, this keyword principal business is very important because how the RBI is going to decide that whether a company's main business or a company's principal business is of financial activity or not. Now, in order to do so, what RBI did, RBI brought this 50-50 test, because the point is that basically there are different types of manufacturing companies in our country. There are different types of real estate developers in our country who are also occasionally involved in this business of lending, right? Now, just because they are occasionally involved in this kind of financial activity, that does not mean that their main business is finance, right? So RBI wanted to separate that. So that's why RBI brought this 50-50 test. And as a part of this 50-50 test, what RBI did, it stated that a company is considered to have financial activity as its principal business if, point number one, the financial assets of that company are more than the 50% of its total assets, and apart from that the income from those financial assets is more than the 50% of the total income. If these two criteria are qualified, then only we can say that a company's principal business activity is that of finance, right? And that's how basically RBI makes sure that these are the companies that are treated as NBFCs and are regulated under this framework. So I hope it is clear to you. Do let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much and all the best.